Ute, the curious 3-year-old who loved exploring, found himself staring out the window one sunny morning. Why are trees so big and plants everywhere? He wondered aloud. His imagination sparked, and before long, he was walking in a magical forest where every tree and plant seemed to glow with life. As Ute wandered deeper into the forest, he spotted a magnificent old tree with roots twisting like a giant's fingers and branches reaching high into the sky. The tree's bark was rough but warm, and its leaves shimmered in shades of green and gold. "Hello there, little explorer," the tree spoke in a deep, kind voice. "I'm the wise tree. What brings you to our forest?" Ute's eyes widened. "You can talk? That's amazing. I want to learn why trees and plants are important," the wise tree chuckled. "Then sit under my shade, and I'll tell you." Ute plopped down on a soft patch of grass as the wise tree began its lesson. "First, let me tell you about photosynthesis," the tree began. "Do you know why my leaves are green?" Ute shook his head. "It's because of something called chlorophyll. During the day, my leaves take in sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from my roots. I use these to make food and give out oxygen, the air you breathe." "Wow!" Ute exclaimed. "So you're like a big, magical kitchen." "Exactly," said the wise tree. "Without trees and plants, there would be no oxygen for humans and animals to breathe. Now, take a closer look at my trunk," said the wise tree. "Do you see those rings inside?" Ute touched the rough bark and imagined the rings hidden within. The tree continued, "Those rings show how old I am. Each year, I grow a little more, and the rings tell the story of good rains, warm sunshine, and even tough years with little water. That's like your diary," Ute said with awe. "But there's more," the tree continued. "My roots hold the soil tightly, so it doesn't wash away during rains. This prevents soil erosion and keeps the land healthy for other plants and animals to live." As Ute looked around, he noticed tiny critters crawling on the ground. He even saw a bird's nest tucked into a branch. "So you also give homes to animals?" "Indeed," said the wise tree. "We are homes for birds, squirrels, insects, and more. And let's not forget, plants provide food. Fruits, vegetables, and even medicines come from plants." Ute's mind buzzed with excitement. "Can I grow a plant at home?" The wise tree swayed gently. "Of course. Let me show you how plants grow from seeds." In a magical flash, Ute saw the ground change. A seed was planted in the soil, watered, and bathed in sunlight. Slowly, it sprouted, grew leaves, and turned into a small plant. "This is how every mighty tree begins," the wise tree said proudly. "A tiny seed holds the secret of life." The wise tree gave Ute a small acorn. "Take this home and plant it. Watch it grow, and remember what I've told you. Trees and plants keep the earth alive." Ute hugged the wise tree. "Thank you for teaching me so much. I'll take care of my acorn and tell everyone how important trees and plants are." As he left the magical forest, Ute felt a new connection to the green world around him. He couldn't wait to share his adventure and plant his acorn, knowing he was helping make the world a better place. Ute stands in a sunny patch of ground, holding the acorn carefully in one hand while using his other hand to dig a small hole in the soil with a tiny trowel. Around him, other small plants, flowers, and insects are visible, showing the vibrant life of the forest. Nearby, a butterfly flutters, and a curious squirrel peeks out from a bush, watching Ute. The background features the wise tree towering majestically, its branches spread wide, as if blessing Ute's efforts to plant the acorn.